This how-to deals with what appears to be a blank case file. It's important to note at this point that you haven't lost any information. Casedo hasn't rendered the case file properly. The underlying information is still there, we're just not seeing it. Occasionally, when you've put together a case file, particularly a big one, and you scroll down, you find that the pages are blank. It should look like this. You can see that there's a bit of a lag when I scroll up and down, but sometimes it is that it's blank. Let me show you. If I scroll down now, you'll see that it's absolutely blank and there's nothing there at all. It could be that the entire document is blank, the entire case file is blank. One way of fixing this is literally to move a document from one place to another and see if that fixes it. Because Casedo essentially has rendered all of the documents you can see as PDF. The other solution is to close Casedo and restart it. Let's try that. We open up again. We can see now that it's working as expected. That is how to fix a blank case file.